I love the smell of my second cup. The first cup, I gotta get it in me, man. I'm a true addict. Some people just drink coffee to get them going in the morning, and it's just a crutch to get through the day almost. Other people really enjoy the routine and the process that goes into it. But then there's that really one important piece that they miss. In 2014, I arrived to campus after 4 deployments to Afghanistan. One day, I was with a platoon of 22-year-old Rangers, and then the next, I'm surrounded by 19-year-old college kids. Immediately applied myself, and that made the transition a lot easier. I finished my finance degree at A&M in May of 2017 and got a finance job. I just could not sit behind a desk 8 hours a day. I literally physically cannot do it. When I first had that idea to get into coffee, it was based off the idea that I didn't think there was like a Dr. Pepper or Whataburger or H-E-B, a Buc-ee's of coffee. Like I didn't think there was like this Texas like flagship brand for coffee. You had Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts and those kind of brands, but I didn't think there was like a Texas brand. And I went all in and bought a $30,000 coffee roaster, built a barn, slapped that thing in there. Never had roasted coffee in my life, and started roasting. It was like 2020 when we moved the business from my barn in Normandy to downtown Bryan. That first year was rough. We genuinely didn't know if we were gonna make it. That's the thing about coffee is you can have the best growing methods, the best processing techniques. You can brew it, roast it and brew it to perfection, but without somebody there to enjoy it with, without somebody to make that connection with, like what's the point? There's a reason we named it Polite Coffee. The root word for Texas is literally friendship. And so I remember when I was workshopping the name Polite, I ran that by somebody. He's like, Polite, I don't know, man. It's just like so mundane. And I was like, that's what I love about it. Like that's like you take that for granted, those little, soft interactions with people that you grow to miss. To me, coffee is this long chain from a seed in the ground to a cherry on a tree to this awesome product that does so much for your day. And then to ruin it in the last second by being rude blows my mind. You genuinely never know who's gonna come to that door. It could be a college student going, working through finals. It could be a young elementary school teacher or a police officer starting a shift. It could be anything. So we really wanna be ready to serve everybody that comes through those doors. So when we give that coffee to you, we want somebody to enjoy that interaction with us because it humanizes people. And so if Polite Coffee can be a place where that happens, then we've done our job.